Welcome back to Basic Home Cooking. Today we're going to be getting into some unstuffed quinoa peppers. You know, I love some stuffed peppers, but you know, they're tough to take to work for lunch. So here we are deconstructing unstuffed quinoa peppers. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, let's see how we did. That's not bad. I was a little skeptical because the recipe called for some garam masala. And then, you know, we had those Italian chicken sausages in there, so I wasn't sure how those two would play together, but they kind of play off each other pretty well. And then actually throwing a little of that sriracha on there, kind of just, like, I think it's fine as it is. But if you want to kick it up a notch, a little sriracha would be my choice. But of course, try your own go-to hot sauce if you feel so squarely. But it's also got, this is like an all-in-one meal because you got the quinoa, so you got some of those carbs. You also got your protein from that spicy Italian chicken sausage. And then I just served it up with a side of asparagus because it's kind of my go-to veg. But of course, you know, serve it with a side of whatever you prefer. And I feel like this is a pretty good rounded out meal. And now I got lunches for the week, so who's stoked? This guy. Don't forget the reference recipe is linked in the description below. And as always, thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Until then, keep on cooking. Yep, here we are. Stuffed peppers are a lot of fun, but you know, I have trouble taking those to lunch.
The line is taking it to work.
It is! You know, I love some stuff. I was a little skeptical because the recipe called for some, not marjoram masala. Or if you got your other favorite go-to hot sauce, blah, blah, blah. If anything, it took longer setting up cameras and whatnot. Just ask Dana. What? As always, thanks so much for watching. All right, hey kids, we did it.